This is my location for my starter switch. I'm going to take these two 8mm bolts off. Get to it. There's one. There's another one over here. Okay, this comes off. Like that. And there it is. It's right there. It has a bolt right here that you have to tighten up. It's 8mm. It's a starter switch. And they go old over a period of time. They probably last about 10 years, a new one will. Then you have to change it out. But I have to take off the negative battery cables, the positive and the negative battery cables before I fool with this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now and then come back. And this is for 2000 to 2007 Ford Taurus 3.0 liter engine. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen this up. Put this aside. So always remember, the negative comes off first, then the positive, and the negative battery cable goes back on last. So I'll go ahead and do that, get it out of the way. I don't want it to make contact, so I'll just put it over here. Come back over here. Start on this one. Okay. I'm gonna pull this one off and push it over here out of the way. All right. Okay, and here's the one I replaced right here. This is what it looks like. It goes on the 2000 and 2007 Ford Taurus. And this is the old one. I was having a problem starting up the car. I changed this out and I found out this is what the problem was. This is just old. So they get old after about 10 years. So here's the part number on it. But yeah, that was it. Here's the part number on that. Okay. Okay. I'm putting all this back together. Okay, here's one 8mm bolt. Here's another one right here. So what I have to do is tighten them up. So I'll tighten them up. And then I finish with the rest of it. Now I've got this back on. So now all I need to do is put my battery cables back on. I should be finished. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, both of my battery cables are off, so always make sure to put your positive back on first and then your negative last. ahead and tighten this one up. And it takes an 8mm. On there good and tight. And always put your negative battery cable last. So put this on like that. Make sure I don't come in contact with anything. Just short anything out. Okay, I got that one on. Okay. I don't want to get them too tight. But yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Alright. Now I'm looking for my keys. Keys are on here somewhere. Okay. Now I'm going to try to start it up. See if that make it run any better. Yep.